we're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than...
I've sailed quite a bit, and much of that time has been spent on Carnival ships like the Vista, the Spirit, the Conquest, and the Pride. I booked our spring break trip on the Carnival Celebration, one of the line's newer XL class ships. I have to say that after a week sailing to the Eastern Caribbean and back, this ship is more like the Celebrity Ascent and the Apex than the Carnival Vista. This billion-dollar ship that holds over 6,000 passengers has a modern vibe and a definite glow-up from the other ships in the fleet. Amazing pools, dining options, and interesting bars are located all around this giant ship, and the staterooms are part of that glow-up as well. Before we take a look at our Deck 15 Ocean Suite, if you find value in this video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out quite a bit. Now, let's take a walk through the Carnival Celebration Ocean Suite, stateroom number 15266.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It was a great week on this beautiful ship, and it was especially nice to have the extra sitting area in the stateroom, as well as the crow's nest type of balcony. It was the perfect place each day for morning coffee. When you sail the Celebration, I'd love to hear what you think of her in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you on the beach, my friends.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.